Hope you guys love this song. It's called Fantasy. And don't be afraid to dance with me. DJ, let's go. It's Jessie, baby. Yeah. I know you had a long day, and I can see it on your face. The world's been rubbing you the wrong way. I can't tell, baby. You see, I know that it's cold out there. Ooh, they treating you so unfair. Won't you let me be a piece of mind? I got it from him. Oh, I'm gonna get you right. Baby, don't be shy, tell me what you like. Oh, I'm gonna get you right. Baby, don't be shy, tell me what you like. Let me bring your fantasies to life. Oh, I'll start slow. Papi, tell me where to go, 'cause I know how to make you lose control. I wanna give it to you. Give the love to you. I wanna treat you right. Bring your fantasies to life. Tell me what you like. Let me bring your fantasies to life. Oh, I'm gonna get you right. Baby, don't be shy. Tell me what you like. Let me bring your fantasies to life. Oh. Maximus. I'm gonna get you right. Tell me what you like. I'm gonna get you right. Tell me what you like. Baby, don't be shy, tell me what you like. Let me bring your fantasies to life. Oh, I'm gonna get you right. Tell me what you like. Oh. So that was Fantasy. Also available everywhere. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
It's Jessie, baby.